Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Better Discord. So first, what you want to do is basically go to Exe File when you download Better Discord. So I'm hoping, or I'm guessing that you already know this particular Exe file, since you're already installed Better Discord and you're looking to uninstall it now. So you just need to download this exe file again, but if you still have it on your computer, that's better. So after you downloaded it, just need to click on it, just like so. Open it, wait for it to open, and once it's done with that, just accept this and go next. And as you can see here on the lower side of the third option, you can see the uninstall Better Discord. So just pick that option, click on next, and pick the version that you have downloaded, or the Discord version that is on your PC or laptop. Click on that and click on uninstall. And that's it, guys. As you can see, uninstall completed. You just need to close it and you're done. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.